to today's video. In this episode, I'm excited to share with you a behind the scenes look at how I approach shooting a combination of still photo and video. For the photos, I use a Sony a7C. For the video, I use a A7 S13 along with a RS3 gimbal. For my lens choices, I used a Tamron 17 to 28mm and a 28 to 75mm. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Enjoy the video.
Can I get Ian? Yeah, I think your card's good right there. I just want Ian, same thing as you, but opposite, like so his front end's facing this way. Yeah. Yeah, right there is actually perfect, yeah. Do you wanna turn your wheel just a little bit to the right? A little bit more? Little, okay, there, that's perfect, yeah. Let's take a look at that. I guess we got an extra car in now, so yeah, I'm gonna be redoing the photos we just took. Come on, tracking. Yeah, this is the one thing I don't like about the A7C is that it doesn't have the adjustable little you know, touch thing. So I'm gonna focus on the middle, I think, right there, and then CP outlet. So let me take a look. Yeah, that's fire. And then I think I'm gonna do, instead of focus area for expandable, I'm gonna go zone just because there's so much going on here. I think I'm gonna go like right here.
That's why he said, like, I don't want to roll my kid down late.
Right there. I think this is a 6 shot. Oop. And I'm out of photos. Damn. Not mean to do that. And then trying to lock the screen. There we go. And then zoom in just a tiny bit. Easy. All right, let's see how this is going. Hey. All right, Ian, I'm gonna take some solo ones of you now. All right. White balance is too warm now, so I gotta cool it down. Let's go to 5K. Yeah, there we go. See how this looks. A little too bright. What do I have this on? 1/2. I'm gonna bump this up a little bit. like that one a lot. I'm gonna push this out a little bit, the flash. I haven't used flash in a while, so I'm kind of rusty. Let me see, I'm gonna bump down the shutter speed, I think, again. I think it'll look better with... Honestly, I need to learn more about using flash on a DSLR. Oh, that one came out sick. I like that one. I'm good with that. Huh?
This direction, it looks fire because you can see the
Gauges, yeah, that's what I was going for.
It's fire.
This off. Let's bump up the ISO. Thank you. Justin, hop up there with him. Ready? Huh? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You guys want to smile?
Thank you for joining me into today's video. I hope you enjoy getting a behind the scenes look. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any future videos. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.